Hey, Maya.
What are you doing?
Do you know Uncle Dan is in Hong Kong? Today is his birthday? You're going to sing him a happy birthday?
Come on, sing it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Uncle Dan. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Say, happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey. And you smell like one too. Say, Uncle Dan, happy birthday.
I would do
Say it to him. Say it to him.
you big time, it's okay?
Say happy birthday, Uncle Dan. You monkey, you.
There you have it. Happy birthday, brother.